living inside one of Europe's most exclusive resorts, Penha Longa Resort, Sintra, where protected nature meets world-class golf, and the signature of the Ritz-Carlton, a private villa, set within a gated community, contemporary architecture, designed for space, light, and flow, generous living areas, opening seamlessly onto the garden and outdoor spaces. Created to live well, designed to entertain. Private suites for true rest, absolute tranquility. All moments away, always discreet. Minutes from Cascais, 5 minutes from Lisbon. Surrounded by a protected natural landscape, defined by privacy, security, and prestige. Championship golf, spa, fine dining, 5 hotel services, one of Portugal's most secure and prestigious addresses. Penha Longa is not just a location. It is a lifestyle reserved for the few. Fine and country Portugal, local expertise, global reach.